You paid every single bill on time, never missed a payment. So why did your credit score just drop 35 points out of nowhere? It's not a glitch, it's not an error, and it's happening to millions of Americans right now, and they have absolutely no idea why. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the real reasons your score is falling and exactly how to fix it. Here's the number one hidden killer of credit scores, and almost nobody talks about it. It's called credit utilization. Here's how it works. Let's say your credit card limit is $5,000. If you put $2,500 on it in a single month, that's a 50% utilization rate. Even if you pay it off in full at the end of the month, if the bank reported your balance to the credit bureau before you paid, your score takes the hit. The magic number? Keep your utilization below 30%. Ideally, below 10% for the best scores. So stop thinking about just paying on time. Think about how much you're using. Every time you apply for a new credit card, a car loan, or even some apartment rentals, the lender pulls your credit with a hard inquiry. Each hard pull drops your score by 5 to 10 points. And here's the sneaky part. Those inquiries stick on your report for 2 full years. Got 3 new credit cards in the past year? That alone could be quietly dragging your score down every single month. The fix: space out your credit applications. 1 every 6 months is the golden rule. Did you close an old credit card recently because you weren't using it? Big mistake. Here's why. Your credit score partially depends on something called length of credit history. That old card from college, it's actually boosting your average account age. The moment you close it, that average drop, and so does your score. Plus, closing a card reduces your total available credit, which spikes your utilization ratio right back up. Unless that card has a high annual fee you can't justify, leave it open and just use it for a small purchase once a month. Here's the one that's genuinely shocking. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found that 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. An account that isn't theirs. A late payment that was actually on time. A debt that was already settled. These errors silently destroy scores for years because most people never check. Go to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only government-authorized free credit report site, and pull all 3 of your reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Dispute any error you find. It's free, it's your right, and it can add 50 to 100 points back almost immediately. Okay, let's make this actionable. Here's your 4-step credit score rescue plan. Step 1. Keep your credit utilization under 30% each month and pay your balance twice a month if needed. Step 2. Stop applying for new credit cards or loans unless you absolutely need them. Step 3. Leave your oldest credit accounts open even if you never use them. Step 4. Pull your free credit report right now and look for errors. Do these 4 things, and in 90 days, you'll see a measurable difference. Not months, not years, 90 days. Credit scores aren't magic, they're just math. And now you know the math. If this video saved your score, hit that like button right now because it helps more Americans find this before they make these mistakes.